Good morning, students. Now we can see the risk factors of heart disease. The risk factors of heart disease, first one is increased cholesterol level is the major cause for heart disease. That means hypercholesterolemia. That is called as hypercholesterolemia. Hyper means increase, cholesterol means that is called cholesterol. So increased cholesterol level in blood is called as hypercholesterolemia. That is a major cause, major risk factors of heart diseases. And also high blood pressure. High blood pressure is another one causative agent for heart disease. High blood pressure other is called as hypertension. It is a major cause for contributing factors of heart disease. So that heart disease is caused by two factors. First one is called as hypercholesterolemia. Another one is hypertension. The two factors are caused by the heart diseases. If the untreated in heart diseases, it may cause severe damage of brain and kidney, eventually lead to stroke. Then the hypercholesterolemia and hypertension, it should be untreated. It should cause severe damage of brain tissues and kidney tissues and eventually lead to stroke. At last, it can cause stroke. Next causes. Where did this disease come from? That is called as causes. It is heredity, family history. That is comes from generation to generation is called as heredity. And also rich cholesterol level eating. Rich in cholesterol level eating and saturated fat level is increased. These should cause heart attack and heart problems. And obesity is the major cause to increase the fat level, and increasing age is one of the major cause, and cigarette smoking is one of the cause, and emotional stress. You should be always in emotional stress. You should come heart attack. Sedentary lifestyles and excessive alcohol consumption. You drink much more alcohol, you should be cause heart attack. And physical inactivity and is the causes. These are the causes of heart attack. These are what are these? Heredity. Heredity comes from generation to generation, and rich cholesterol eating and rich saturated fat materials eating and obesity, increasing age and cigarette smoking, alcohol consumption, emotional stress, sedentary lifestyles. These are the causes for heart problems and heart attacks. Symptoms. What are the symptoms of heart attacks, heart problems? Shortness of breath. Breath should be difficulty in person is called as shortness of breath. And headache. First started with the headache. And tiredness and dizziness and chest pain. The pain is occurs in your lungs and throats. Swelling of legs and gastrointestinal disturbance. These are the symptoms of heart problems and heart attacks. What are the symptoms? Shortness of breath. Breath should be difficulty in human beings. Headaches and tiredness and dizziness, chest pain, swelling of legs and gastrointestinal disturbance. These are the factors of heart diseases. Next, your body contains two types of fat materials. First one is called as high density lipoprotein. Another one is called as low density lipoprotein. The high density lipoprotein is otherwise called as good cholesterol. It should be low in heart disease. The low density lipoprotein is called as bad cholesterol. These cause risk of heart attacks and heart disease. Our body contains two types of cholesterols. First one is called as high density lipoprotein, low density lipoprotein. The high density lipoprotein otherwise called as good cholesterol. It should be lowest the heart attack and heart diseases. The low density lipoprotein is otherwise called as bad cholesterol. It can increase heart attack and heart diseases. Okay, students. Next we can see the how to prevent the heart diseases. How to prevent the heart disease and the heart attacks. Diet management. Diet means for food management. What are they? They are eating low cholesterol foods. They are eating low saturated fat materials. They are to prevent the obesity. They are to prevent the cigarette smoking. To avoid the emotional stress. To avoid the alcohol consumption. These are the prevention and control of heart diseases. First one is reduction intake of calories in low saturated fat. You must be take of low saturated fat and low cholesterol rich foods. You should be take of low cholesterol rich food. Low cholesterol rich food. Low carbohydrates you should be low. You can take low level in common salt. This is the dietary measurements of heart diseases. What are they? They are you can eat low level of common salt. You can eat low carbohydrate foods. You can eat low cholesterol rich foods. You can eat low saturated fat materials. You can eat low calories food materials. These are the prevention and control of heart diseases. You can eat much more level in polyunsaturated fatty acids is essential for to prevent the heart diseases. You can eat more level in polyunsaturated fatty acid, that is called as PUFA. That is good for our health. And increase intake of fiber diet. Fiber diet food minerals you should be take more. That is like guava fruits, pineapples. These are the intake of fiber rich foods and fruits, vegetables, proteins, minerals, vitamins. These are the dietary management of prevent the heart diseases. Next, physical activity. Physical activity means to regular exercise, morning and evening exercise should be reduce the cholesterol level in our body. Regular exercise, daily walking and yoga essential for body weight maintenance. It should be also maintenance the blood cholesterol level. Avoid the substances addictive, that is alcohol consumption, cigarette smoking should be avoided. These are the prevention and control of heart diseases. Once more reply. What are the risk factors of heart diseases? High cholesterol level, high pressure level is the major risk factors of heart diseases. What are the causes of heart diseases? Heredity and rich cholesterol foods, obesity, increasing age, cigarette smoking, emotional stress and excessive alcohol consumption are the causes of heart diseases. Symptoms: shortness of breath, headache, tiredness, dizziness, chest pain and gastrointestinal disturbance is the symptoms of heart diseases. Next, our body contains two types of lipoproteins, high density lipoproteins and low density lipoproteins. The high density lipoprotein is otherwise called as good cholesterol. It can lower the risk of heart diseases. The low density lipoprotein is called as bad cholesterol. It increases the heart diseases. Next, prevention and control of heart diseases. First, dietary management, our food management. You should take up low cholesterol level foods, low saturated foods, low cholesterol rich foods and low carbohydrates, and you can eat low common salt. This is the dietary modifications of to control the heart diseases. Next, you should be take increase in polyunsaturated fatty acids. It is essential for good for our health. Next, you increase intake of fiber foods, fruits, vegetables, proteins, minerals, vitamins, etc. Next, physical inactivity. Daily morning and evening exercise you should be prevent the heart diseases. Next, addictive substances. You should avoid the cigarette smoking and alcohol consumption to ease the prevention of heart diseases. Okay, thank you students. Let us meet next topic.